Okay. Well, here's a brand spanking new GE window air conditioner. Doesn't really appear to be draining very well. Don't know what the fan motor has, but it looks like it would be probably a GE as well. I don't think it's stepping. It's got not a very hot coil. And then, right around the corner, got this little Arctic King, not very new, about 4 years old. It rains a little better, but it doesn't rain right now. It's extremely hot coil. Don't know what the fan motor is. So there's a GMCC. One around the corner. This one stopped. But it's a GE as well. They all don't really drain extremely good, but they still drain. And if we come over here into the garage, this does not sound too good, but it's a Lasco box fan, extremely old. It's like tan. See the fan? It's like all messed up. Then we got this comfort zone fan. Can't really get this sucker, but that sound not good. So that one. Well, then we got the big GE that we started off with on the inside. It's got a lot of airflow coming out. We have these dampers that don't do worth a crap. Was extremely cold air out. But it was extremely cold air out. Then again, if we go into this room right over here, we're going to be filming this little Arctic King from extremely cold air out. Doesn't sound too good. It doesn't operate as good. We've got a Honeywell fan oscillating. Then next we got the little G. Not very cold air because the compressor is dead on it. You can't even hear it really. But the fan operates in it. Then of course we got a bathroom fan. So it's operating. I don't think you will be able to hear it, but that's the fan. Oh, not that good air. Well, that's a 50 CFM fan. Beard face blowing everywhere. Then of course we got the quiet brown bathroom fan. It's a little newer. But it pulls out more to 70 CFM. It's quiet, so it looks way better. It's newer too. So if I come out, okay. So I'm going to be filming this. Suppose more air. You can't hear it at all because it doesn't have a very high fan speed. We gotta speed up the fan speed on that thing. Well, guys, you can find us on Facebook, website, and things like that. You can buy stuff from us eventually. Not that in a long time. Well, please subscribe and leave comments, and always visit. Bye bye.